All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to yet another episode of the Coach's Corner, episode number 10. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, number 10. So excited about the Coach's Corner and where it's going. And today, as usual, we have a very special guest. And he is actually one of our coaches. Maybe you worked with him at one point. And he's also a user of the device. We got Maico joining us today. What's up, Maico?
Hi everyone. What's going on? How you feeling today, Myrna?
Feeling awesome. Feeling really cool. Especially, I'm going to give my shout out today to Sam Seavey from the Blind Life. Wearing my shirt. I can see, but I can't see.
Oh, that's
Hashtag
good.
complicated. Yes. Isn't it an awesome shirt? Makes sense, right?
A little bit, yeah. Yeah.
How many times have we been out there, out and about, and people just assume that we can actually see?
Oh, all the time. People sometimes, because I do have some peripheral vision. It's sort of my central vision that's kind of not so well. But when I see things, or when I'm able to recognize things, people look at me and they're like, "Can you see or can you not see?" I'm like, "Only when it's convenient."
Right. Exactly.
So I have low vision. I'm not blind, you know.
Right.
I just
Yeah,
have some vision.
I'm partially sighted. That's
I
what
can
I
see. I can see. I just can't see. Yeah, I'm partially sighted.
partially, exactly. That's why I love this shirt. I can see, but I can't see. I should get this in different colors. Sam, I'm coming back to your store for a different variety of colors here.
Well, if we're doing shirts, I'd like to give a shout out to my shirt, right? Shout out to the
Oh,
Padres. Shout out to Sophie. Shout out to my cat who just jumped on my lap. Hi, Darwin.
there we
Baseball
go.
season started for much of the league here with last week, so I'm excited about listening and watching the games with my IrisVision.
Boom. There you go. I'm not much of a sports watcher. I wish I was. But I like Harry Potter, like my cup.
Hmm.
See
Oh,
my
look at that.
mug. It's a Harry Potter. It's a little worn. It's seen a better day, but it's my favorite cup. So, do
That's
you have a favorite
gently
cup?
used.
Gently used. Do you have a mug?
Oh, I lost my mug. I had a Star Wars Stormtrooper mug, big old giant mug,
Oh,
but I mostly use this guy right here, this travel mug, and I got my Baby Yoda and Avatar stickers on it.
boom!
Avatar, look
I
at that.
love it. I'm gonna have to
That's
get
my go-to. And I apologize for my cat who all of a sudden wants to jump up on my lap.
it. It's
He
okay.
wants to be on the special guest as well. So there we
There
go.
we
Say
go.
hi, Darwin.
What's his name?
Darwin.
Darwin. I love it.
Darwin Diesels. Yes.
Measles. Very cool. So yeah, there we go. Another special guest. Michael's fur baby. All right. So today, we have a very special surprise for you guys. Um, Michael, you want to go ahead and talk about what we're about to do here?
Yes, yes, yes. Special. Speaking of special surprises, while we're on the topic, I heard it was someone's birthday recently.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, what's up with that? Happy
Well,
birthday, Myrna.
thank you. It was my birthday last Saturday. 39 years
29.
old.
Oh, I wasn't say 29. You beat me
Oh,
to it.
I'm cool with that. I've earned every year. So yeah, it was awesome. Went out to the mountains and took some pictures with my Iris Vision. If you guys
Very nice.
are on Instagram or if you're following here on our Facebook page, you can see my pictures that I took with my Iris Vision of the beautiful scenery that I was surrounded by this past weekend. It
Some
was
very,
really,
very cool pictures.
yes. It's awesome what you can do with your Iris Vision. So speaking of unboxing,
Mm-hmm. Oh, speaking, while we're on the topic of unboxing, gifts, right? Yeah, so we have an unboxing video that I created for the community, for the folks that may be considering, purchasing the Iris Vision headset, even for those that are waiting for their package to come in the mail, so they want to know what to expect. So I did up a quick video on in the Coach Maico studios. So I think we might have that queued up, right?
yeah, let's roll.
Yeah.
Oh, we need the audio.
Yeah, I don't think we're getting audio on this.
Soph.
She's mad about
Replay.
my Padres shirt.
That's what it is. It's the Padres. That's what killed it, bro. See? Let's see if we can get the audio up on this. Take two.
Take two.
We need the little clampy thing.
Yes.
Man, you might just have to do the voiceover on this, Maico.
Just do it myself? Oh, I lost my script.
We're talking about the user's guide.
Contact information. There we go. Customer support. Welcome to IrisVision. In this video, we're going to unbox the IrisVision headset and see what's included. Now let's get started. One of the first things you'll find is the user guide. Inside this user guide, you'll find many controls and how-tos in large print with colored photos, as well as important contact information to our customer support. The equipment comes in a sturdy box with magnetic closure. Inside, you'll find a hard shell carry case. This case is used for general storage when the device is not in use, and also to protect it from environmental damage when used outdoors. The headset is secured by a Velcro strap. Cables and other accessories can be found in a mesh bag opposite side. Attached to the headsets, you'll find Velcro head straps and a neck lanyard. The head straps may be adjusted for best fit and comfort. The IrisVision's display unit sits at the front of the headset. It may be removed and reinserted for charging and cleaning as needed. Included with the IrisVision is a wireless charging pad, fast charger, and cable for convenient charging. A second fast charger and cable will also be included, as well as a magnetic braided power cable. A pair of earphones are also included to help improve your video watching experience. And last but not least, a microfiber cloth to wipe down all your lenses and the IrisVision display unit screen. Thank you for watching. For more information on IrisVision and other content, please visit us at www.irisvision.com.
Wow, bro. That was right there. That's a radio voice right there.
Oh man, I already got my new microphone on order. And the blooper reel is coming out too. All the expletives, all the cats running across the table. It's going to be great.
That's the best one. Very cool. So guys, don't worry. You're going to be able to watch this video. I'm sure that they're going to post it on the Facebook page here, and also it's going to be on YouTube, so you can watch for it there. And it might also even be on your IrisVision, right? As one of those tutorial videos that we see in that awesome video player that we have.
You know how much I struggled not to say, smash that like button and give us a follow or something like that. You know, like a typical YouTube video. I so wanted it. I just did it now. So I get it out of my system.
I was going to say, you just did it. Very
So smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys.
Right. Or like my kid says, hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Oh my God. I so wanted to do that. Hey, what's up, guys?
Right. So, all right, guys. Well, that is your Coach's Corner for today. As usual, we love to wrap up with a pro tip. So with that said, a lot of you have the IrisVision, right? And you take pictures, but how do we get the pictures out of our IrisVision? Well, there are directions in your user's guide on how to do that. You can always call into customer support and they'll be happy to walk you through how to export your pictures. But just real quick so that I can tell you here, you can always take the phone out of the headset. So just like remove your IrisVision from your headset, and you can always plug it in and into your computer using the little charging port. Plug it into your computer and export the pictures that way. Or if you have like a sighted helper, you can, or if you could see your IrisVision well enough yourself, you can just pair your IrisVision. You'd have to go through the actual settings of the cell phone. So when you swipe down on the screen, there's a little gear right here of for settings. You can go to connections and just pair your IrisVision to whatever Bluetooth device you have, whether it's your cell phone, your laptop, your tablet, your iPad, and export the pictures via Bluetooth from device to device. That's exactly how I shared my pictures from the mountains this past weekend. I just have my IrisVision paired to my cell phone. So I was able to export my images from my IrisVision to my cell phone via Bluetooth. Have you tried that yet, Michael?
Yes, I have. No, not the pairing, but I have pulled the pictures off of my IrisVision to my MacBook with the cable. I haven't tried the pairing yet, though.
Okay, so see, boom, now you have
Got it.
me who did it with the pairing, Michael who did it with the cable. Done.
Done,
Awesome.
Billy.
Yes, sir. Well, Michael, thank you so much for hanging out today on Coach's Corner. I have a feeling we're going to see lots of you here in the future.
Oh, thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure.
Okay, so thanks, guys. That's your pro tip for today. We'll catch you next time. See you in a couple of weeks for the next Coach's Corner. Remember, oh, I was going to say, everybody, whoever has a favorite mug, share your picture of your favorite mug on the comments. Whether you take the image with your IrisVision or you just take a picture of it, I'd love to see what your favorite mug looks like, right? And I'm sure Michael wants to see too. We need ideas, yes. Right, bro? We need ideas.
Absolutely. I don't have enough coffee mugs.
I'm going to get a Star Wars cup. I don't have one.
There you go.
And I know you want a Harry Potter cup.
Oh, yes. Christmas is right around the corner.
There you go.
That's all I'm going to say.
All right. Bye, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.